Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular.
Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Hold up. You won't believe how good this one actually.
Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason.